On a warm summer evening in Sweden, instead of giving up on my old laptop, I decided to upgrade it. Shouldn't it be nothing more complicated than just removing a bunch of screws? Of course, including the ones that you cannot see. Let's get the instruments out. A pair of plastic prying tools for the delicate matters. A metal prying tool for when more force is required. Tweezers for dealing with the tiny parts in this thin but not so light laptop. Some screwdriver heads to go with it all. And let's get to work. Get the screws out, remove the back. Now it's time to remove the old drive or cloning. Was it too fast? Let's look at it in more details. After you have removed the obvious screws, you will have to remove more of them from under the rubber feet and the rubber strip. Prying open the back cover of a thin laptop or ultrabook is a delicate matter. After you have sent few tools flying, you would wish you had more hands. The hard disk is under 2 ribbon cables. That would make you wish you shouldn't have taken up this task. But fear not, the tiny angle tweezer will save the day. Carefully flip the switch and free up the cables. Ideally that should free up the hard drive after removing the screws holding it in place. But there's always a but. The hard disk is wrapped in duct tape and the fun never ends. Clone the hard disk onto an SSD and you will hate yourself for the rest of the day for copying over all those OEM proprietary partitions that basically do nothing. Do not forget to connect the unified power and data cable and then tighten the screws for a secure fit. The angle tweezer is still your best bet for securely attaching the ribbon cables. Put everything back, and if you have done it right, you won't have an upside down screen like mine. But don't you worry, it's just a feature of my flip laptop. After this video, I did manage to delete the OEM partitions from the SSD. I will leave a link in the description section for the same.
I hope you like our short and fun take on how to upgrade your laptop, and I sincerely hope you had as much fun watching our video as we had during making it. This is by no means a comprehensive upgrade guide, but rather a continuation of our previous video, how to upgrade laptop using RAM or memory. You can watch that video by clicking on this link. I'm sure by doing these 2 upgrades you can give a new lease of life to any old laptop. You will have much faster boot and software load times, and in general a much more responsive system. We did skim over some of the details like cloning the drive. I mean, there is almost no standard software or procedure for the same. Each manufacturer has his or her own custom solution, so sharing one particular way might not be so useful to most people. But feel free to ask me if you have any questions in the comment section below. I do hope by watching this video you learned something new, or at least it was fun. So all you tech seekers, welcome to our channel for technology simplified. Hi there, this is Nat.